She is always ready to go to school even on holidays. So she's like, Mama, today is a holiday, but I need to go to school. So I said, Beba, take a break. So that shows that she is very happy and she's well in the school.
Since my child has joined Imperial School, I have seen him blossoming in terms of confidence, in terms of resilience and adaptability. He has, his love for learning has grown over the years, and I see him as a quite confident child as compared to when he came to the school.
I was looking for a school actually that give me a very smooth transition from a pre-primary to a primary school. So it was only Empyrean that was providing at that time, and I seriously say that I'm very proud and I feel very happy that I choose Empyrean.
Ahan is in this school from last 3 years. I've changed the school. He was in class 4 when he came. He was nervous, scared, and it wasn't easy for him to drastic change after COVID as well. So he was not able to make friends. With my experience as a mother, what I loved was that teacher was personally involved, making him comfortable and helping him to get evolved around the new environment. Personality has totally changed. When I'm talking about class 6 kid, he was actually, he was literally nervous. The people who have seen him, he can see the outgrown, the level he has grown in last 3 years.
As soon as he comes out of the school and all, he starts sharing things which we don't talk at home as parents and all. It's the teachers who teach them.
We all can agree with this. Where the teacher and parent collaboration is there, the child capability to do something is something else. So no one can beat that.
So definitely I will encourage or I will recommend the Empyrean over other school. The reasons are quite few. These are not limited only to the positive aspect of teamwork or portfolio. Especially say for example, if we see science subject or few other subjects where practical learning approaches are there. So when my kids were well learning electricity, they were given a demo of like how the motor or how the switch and then the lamps works. So these are a good thing that they are learning what they are reading.
School has helped my child because I think Empyrean has this inclusive learning atmosphere. Empyrean does not restrict the child to the classroom. They have this open door policy. Right from the staff to the principal, the doors are open. You can approach your teachers without hesitation. And Empyrean has given them free hand. They should have their own mindset. They can speak their mind, and there is this free way given to their imagination. So when there are no restrictions, definitely you see changes in your child.
Nasha was an introvert child when she came to Empyrean. She is an extrovert now, where she's been a head girl of the school. She's a national fencer of the school. School had internship programs last May, and she actively took part in it. I always thought my child will never be able to face the world. But today she's all set to fly and do her medical studies as well in abroad.
The school is offering taekwondo, fencing, cricket, football and many other sports activities. Apart from that, they are having different clubs where essential life skills are taught, and also there are many other events such as ecos where kids are getting chance to participate and showcase their talent, and that is giving them stage daring as well as confidence in themselves, and this is really helping them for the overall personality development.
Actually, he always says that, Mama, I'm very happy when I'm at school. And so when there are holidays, he always says that why these holidays are coming. I always want to go to school.
I would say that if you want your child to learn as well as enjoy, if you want your child to be academically great as well as good in extracurricular activities, that one place would be Empyrean School.
I would recommend parents who are looking for a school where they wish their child to discover, create, dream and achieve it. I would say Empyrean is the best place.